Welcome back to the channel, folks. September 1st here. It's a nice cool autumn. I guess it's technically still summer, but it's autumn morning. This silly little video series seemed to pick up a little traction. I thought I'd post a quick update just to hopefully keep the momentum going. Still been using these 3 saws a little bit, not a whole lot. As you can see, most of the wood I have here is a little big for these saws. To be perfectly honest, the Yizbao is not seen as much use as the other 2. I bought a sawmill this spring, and as you can see, I put a debarking tool on the Weimars, because with the sawmill, any dirt in the bark will just dull the crap out of the bandsaw blade, so you want to keep any dirty bark off. The Pinkway's been handy for trimming off ends and just shortening up what I need to, and I also used it for cutting all the lumber to length for the building to cover the sawmill. It's come in handy, mostly just because the sawmill's out in the middle of the woods and somebody walks by and grabs it and takes off with it. I'm not out $600-800 of a better quality saw. So what I plan on doing is, I've got a big chunk of ash up on the forks of the tractor. We'll give all 3 of these a cold start and see how they're still running. And I brought my 372 clone. We can put that through the same wood and just get an idea how close they compare. These are still running well. I've got quite a few tanks, well, a couple tanks through each of the Weimars and the Pinkway, and probably a couple tanks through the Yizbao as well. You can see they've been used and abused, but that's what I bought them for. I plan to hopefully this winter maybe doing a different set of video series. I haven't decided if I want to use or get top handle saws, or maybe even some lower budget electric saws. I haven't decided. I really don't need a bunch of top handle saws, maybe one for limbing and pruning. So I don't know, and I'm not a big fan of electric saws. Most of my time is spent out and off grid, so making sure I have batteries for an electric saw would kind of be a pain. But on the other hand, you don't have to worry about gas. You just put the battery in and go. So maybe I'll try those. Why don't you leave a comment down below and let me know what you think you'd like to see as far as the next video series, whether you want to see the top handle or maybe budget electric. I'm certainly not going to spend thousands of dollars on Echo and Husqvarna and their professional grade electric saws. That's just a little outside my budget. So let's get these fired up and make a few cuts, and we'll rip some bark off and see how they hold up. Well, we'll start here with the Weimars. Now let's see how the Yizbao holds up. last but not least, the pink way. And for a silly little comparison, my 372 clone. Well, as you can see, all three of them are still start up fine, run fine. The Weimar's off switch or kill switch is a little finicky. Sometimes it doesn't like to shut off, but that's you hit it a few times and it's fine. Probably just the switch internal's dirty or cheap. And then I don't know if you notice the debarking tool. That's kind of scary. Not only do you got this skin eating chain, you got these 4-inch knife blades down here that just want to eat. It gets the job done. You just got to give it a lot of respect. So again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment in the below. Let me know what you think I should do for next set of head-to-head video series. I'm leaning towards, you know, the 16, 18-inch electric saws, or maybe the little 30, 40 cc top handle saws. Either way, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.